One of the best ways to start making money on Amazon is to sell brand names like these. These Crocs have insane demand, especially during the holidays on Amazon. Hey everyone, Chan here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made over $2,000 selling Crocs like those back there. Now, selling the brand Crocs is just like selling any other brand name item, especially on Amazon. But full disclosure, you may need approval to start selling some of these name brand products, especially like Nike or Adidas or any other major brand on Amazon. But when you do get approved to sell these major products, reselling brand names is so easy because the brand itself everybody knows and loves, especially Crocs. So I'll walk you through a process that I do to be able to source brands like Crocs to sell on Amazon. I'll even show you the profit margin that I'm getting and how I'm able to make over $2,000 selling Crocs. To begin, I'll show you where I source these Crocs from to start selling. Just so you know, I bought over 100 pairs of these Crocs. Now these boxes over here are just a couple of boxes just to show you guys. Literally, I have about 20 boxes in my garage ready to get shipped out to Amazon. Now, of course, you guys could source these at your retail store, like going to a physical Crocs store. But in this case, I just went on to Crocs.com and was able to find some nice deals where I can turn around and reflip them for a much higher profit margin. So to do that, let's jump right into Crocs.com and I'll show you how I was able to do it. As you can see, here we are on Crocs.com, and the very first thing I like to do is just to simply go to the sales. So if you click on sales right off the bat, you can see some very nice deals here. Here's 50%, 30%, 30%, and usually I go through all of these cross-referencing what the price is on Amazon, so if I bought them, I know I can make a nice profit. So we'll just take as an example this very first one here. These are men's Bogota clogs, I guess, 50% off. Now let's take a look at see what they have. They have all the sizes here available. So what I like to do is just pretty much get the exact same name here, and let's go on to Amazon and see how much it's going for. So now let's go on to Amazon. Let's paste it right up here. Let's search. Let's see, where are we? Here we go. Here we go. So these are the black ones, and let's just double confirm here. Yes, these are the black ones on Crocs. And let's see, 61,000 BSR. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So let's select the size here, size 7. As you can see, for a size 7, there's one going for $45 about. So if you were to buy these at $30, you can see that the profit margin is not that great, right? So what I like to do, just keep searching around and looking for sizes that are maybe potentially not available. I could see size 13 right here is not available in the men's, right? Let's see here, size 13 and black is currently not available. So what you can do here is see, look at this. You guys could go to Crocs. There is a size 13 right now that you can buy. So if you were to buy these for $30, let's just put in some data right here. $30, and look at that. There's actually one seller here that's FBM, which is fulfilled by merchant. But if you were to source this, you would sell this as a FBA. Let's face it, guys, most Amazon shoppers will prefer FBA because they could get it within 2 days, right? But just looking at this, guys, if you were to source this for $30 and it sells for $92, look at your profit margin here. $41 net profit, giving you an ROI of 137%. Just like that. So this is pretty much my bread and butter. I mean, yeah, trying to keep this down a little bit, guys. It is between us. It doesn't give you guys some good secrets. But ideally, that's all I did, right? Just going to Crocs.com and looking at the sales here. Just clicking on the sales, going through all these sales items, and then just cross-referencing what that price is on Amazon. So if you were to source this product and resell it on Amazon, you can make a pretty nice profit. So another thing I like to do is once I find the product and I found that, hey, there's a potential profit to be made here, I like to make sure that this product is selling really well. And one thing to do is getting that BSR number and entering it into a BSR calculator to see how many units will sell per month. But as a general rule of thumb, any product that's pretty much under 100,000 BSR, you know will sell and will sell fast. But for giggles, let's just see how well this particular Crocs is selling. So let's go back into our product. We can see that it's 61,344 in clothing and shoes. So now we're gonna go into, let's go into AMZ Scout BSR estimator. Here we are, we're in the US. I'm gonna select the clothing and shoes. Here we go. Where are we at? Here we go. Clothing and shoe. And let's see. Let's get the exact same BSR right here. 61,344. And we'll go and paste it right in here and click. Look at that. What? 229 sales per month, guys. That is insane. Coming back to this listing again, remember what I said, no one's even selling size 13. So what does that mean to you? You could literally be the only one selling this product and making all that profit. Let's just for giggles, let's see how much you would make, right? Again, if you were to sell these for $92 roughly, right? And let's just say, let's put a little bit higher cost of good that let's just say we're buying these for $32 with tax, and you will be making about a net profit about $40. Let's see how much that will be per month if you were the only seller, right guys? So let's bring up the calculator, and again, let's take a look. 229 sales per month, right? So what we do is bring in the calculator. 229 sales per month times about $40 net profit. Let's see how much we'll be making on just this one Crocs, this one product, guys. Boom, $9,160 is your net profit just for selling this Crocs. So coming back, guys, I just walked you guys through how to actually buy products from Crocs.com and resell it for Amazon with an insane profit margin. This is pretty much the steps that I use, guys. I was able to find products on Crocs, buy a whole lot of them because I knew the potential for big profit was there. That's why I sourced well over 100 pairs of Crocs on Crocs.com. In literally just a couple of weeks of selling these, I was able to make over $2,000 net profit. And how I got that was, guys, so let's just say I bought about 100 pairs of those Crocs that you saw, and I made, now my profit margin wasn't as great as what you see here at 40% net profit. It was about 20%. So 100 pairs times $20 net profit each shoes gave me about $2,000 net profit. And there you guys have it. That is how you guys can do online arbitrage, sourcing more specifically Crocs. So is this something you guys are interested in? Selling name brand products? It can be extremely profitable. But then again, make sure you guys are approved to sell brands like this before buying inventory. So with that being said, I hope you guys got some value out of this. I hope you guys understood a little bit about the huge potential of sourcing name brand products like Crocs and selling it on Amazon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so I'll bring you guys a lot more tips and tricks on how you can build your Amazon business. I'll see you guys in the next one.